Hi, Joycelen here from Chestertons. Today we will discuss about 5 documents that required from the seller before selling the property. First document is a quote provided by the developer that can be used for an offline property. Second is a pre-title deed, that's its ready property but it's not yet fully paid and the name is still under the developer name. Third is a title deed which is ready property, fully paid, and the seller name is mentioned in documents. Fourth is passport and Emirates ID. Emirates ID is for the UAE residents and passport for a seller outside the UAE. And the fifth one is a Form A sign issued by a broker. It's an agreement between the seller and the broker. These are the 5 documents seller must provide in selling the property here in UAE. For more information, questions, or if you wish to list your property, contact me on the below details.
Chestertons.